A trip back in time for some locals last Wednesday as the Taonganiwe office held a workshop to educate people on the art of creating a nose flute, an art form long forgotten by most people. Kilikiliho is a musical flute-like instrument made out of wood and is used with a nose action of blowing into the hole at the top of the flute. According to Director of Taonganiwe, Moira Enitama, the art of creating these instruments has died out and only a couple of people on the island now can master the art. Yesterday, the instruments were given a run, with participants taking to the sea in Whakaleina to try out their flutes. Amazing enough, even the young children were able to create musical notes, and from the look of the performance, the Kilikiliho will be used frequently. And that concludes our news bulletin for tonight. We do hope that you join us again for our next news bulletin on Thursday. Tēnā te walatal te tūpuko mō mai ke whapuloa atua i ke hawhiawhi nei, amana ki ke ririu ke whalwepe nei ke hawhiawhi atu loto. Kia anonofua, moi muni ni pō, atu ririu atu tūru ke whalewea.